No environmentally friendly facility can truly be green without a glass and surface cleaner with a positive environmental profile. EarthSense RTU Glass and Hard Surface Cleaner cleans without streaks, smears, or a negative impact on the environment. It's ready to use, no mixing or diluting required. Optimum cleaning performance is ready when you are on glass, along with other hard surfaces such as plexiglass, porcelain, ceramic, and even stainless steel and chrome. All that without environmentally harmful alcohols, surfactants, or preservatives, leading to improved indoor air quality and a safer environment.